Namaste and welcome to Adevo Academy's online training platform for the hospitality and customer services industry. I am Krishna Shantakumar, co-founder of Adevo, and we are delighted to bring you our first set of online courses on bakery and confectionery. We have structured this content into 9 courses that cover more than 75 recipes expertly demonstrated by senior chefs. Each module walks you through a step-by-step process to create that perfect product. In addition, the chief instructor will demonstrate common pitfalls and how to avoid and correct them, tips and much more. You will get access to a glossary of key terms, recipe cards, calorific values and allergens associated with each product. Try a sampling of our modules completely free in the demo courses to experience firsthand the incredible joys of baking. Please remember, a strong foundation is an absolute must to master the art of baking and patisserie. Watch the space for more online learning content in advanced bakery and patisserie as well as other domains in the hospitality and service industries. Happy learning and tell us what you think of our courses.